Hello everybody. I am going to be doing a walk over the Washington Crossing Bridge. This bridge crosses the Delaware River between Titusville, New Jersey and Washington Crossing, Pennsylvania. And you get an excellent view of the river. There's only one walkway on the south side of the bridge, but you can easily see over the north side as well. I think there's Baldpate Mountain in the different distance, sorry, right over there. Now I know this bridge was built at least twice. I forget when it was originally built, but the current superstructure, the piers are original, I think, but the superstructure was built in 1904, so that means it's going to be 119 years old this year. I like how this bridge is very old. As you may know, I really like history, but the thing I don't like is how narrow it is. You have to be extremely careful when you're driving, at least during rush hour. And you almost always have to fold in your mirrors if you can do that, because you might hit another car on the side of the bridge. And yeah, it'll be quite frustrating, and you definitely cannot bring big trucks or buses over. And there are officials who watch you, and they might have to direct you all the way back if you'd have to go a different way. Pretty quiet right now. Speed limit is 15 miles per hour. Now on this particular bridge, there's no marker telling you where the border between New Jersey and Pennsylvania is. You can look south. River is pretty calm. I'm not going to peer directly over the railing because I'm worried I'll drop my phone in. This bridge was renovated in 1994. It was upgraded. And this bridge has survived at least 4 major floods, including one in 1955 that I think rose above the roadway level of the bridge. Now I'm not sure if the pedestrian walkway is original to the 1904 structure. It may be. But like I said, the bridge was renovated in the 1990s, so some things, like I'm sure these planks are newer. Almost there. And now we're in historic Washington Crossing. This is the exact same area where George Washington, the first president, who would become the first president of the United States, crossed from Pennsylvania into New Jersey. Since the trees haven't bloomed yet, you can see a lot of buildings very well. You can't ride your bike on the bridge. The clearance is 10 feet. And you can only drive vehicles no more than 3 tons. And that is it for the westbound crossing. Okay, I'm now heading back the other way, back to New Jersey, and you can see the Scudders Falls Bridge in the distance. Unfortunately, if I was going into Pennsylvania, that's the bridge I would have to take because, again, I'm not comfortable driving over this bridge even though I have a small car. And the only problem with that bridge is that they charge you a toll. This bridge obviously does not. But I'd rather pay the toll than have to worry about causing an accident on this bridge. But thank you very much for watching. And please stay tuned for more videos like this.